Hiya, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Whenever you guys see me start my video with a scarf, you already know it's wig o'clock. So I'm not going to talk too much today. I'm just going to let this wig do the talking. This wig is another glueless wig, and this is not the regular glueless wig. I've never installed any wig like this before. It's slightly different from my kind of style, but it is absolutely beautiful. So I'm just going to let you guys be the judge of this wig and tell me if you like it or not. I'm sure you're going to like it because it's unique, it's easy install because it's a glueless wig, and yeah, it's a beautiful style. So let's get to it. Today's wig is from Yolissa. You know, when it comes in a pink packaging, you know that it's specially designed for the ladies. So yeah, this is what it looks like. This is the box. Now let me show you what we have inside the box. So what we have here is the wig. So this is a 24 inches HD lace, you guys, HD lace glueless wig in a wig cap size small. We also have the 3D eyelashes. At this point, I think I'm going to start selling 3D eyelashes because I have like loads of them. So if you want, let me know, hit me up in the comment section, and yeah, I'll just pack all that I have and just give it to you. Just let me know. I have a comb, the wig cap, the wig band. So there are two of this. There's the wig bag, and then there is this. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's some sort of hair wrap, I think. It's pretty long for a hair wrap. It kind of looks like a sash. Bright to be. It's like a hairband. Maybe when you want to sleep at night, you just put it to secure your wig. I don't know, but this is quite cute. It also has the wig grip, but this one comes with some extra elastic band to pack your hair or forever. You know how ladies, we always lose our hairpin, bobby pins, and our elastic band. So this is thoughtful to add some extra hair band that you can use. Are you ready? Are you sure you're ready? Okay. Drum rolls, please. Ta-da! I know that thing you're about to say. Just type it in the comment section. This is the wig, you guys. I like the fact that it comes with its own edges already laid out for you, which is just perfect. This is already pre-bleached and pre-plucked. You can already see that. And of course, it's glueless. Okay, this is different, but it's cute, right? This is so different from my kind of wig. I wasn't sure about it. I was like, will it look good on me? Because I know I have an oval face, and I tend not to go for things that are too slicked back in front of my hair. But okay. And look at this. It blends perfectly with my scalp, so I wouldn't have to apply any hair tint because I think it looks pretty good. Another amazing thing about this glueless wig is full frontal, so you can see it's from ear to ear, literally. So it feels like a frontal, but it's actually a glueless wig. I'm just going to probably cut it out a little bit so it aligns perfectly with like my ear and my hairline and around my earlobe, so it just falls perfectly. Then I'll show you guys what it looks like. So now I've cut that out. For this one, because it's all the way down here, you can see it opens easily, so I'm going to add my sprit on this end and also on this end. I don't want to add a lot, so I'm just going to spray on my hand and then just add it to the ear area so it just stays. I don't think this part needs any spray because see, it looks pretty well laid, and I'm just going to leave it that way. I'm just going to leave this on for another 10 or 15 minutes, and then I'll take it out and style the edges, and yeah, I think we're good to go. Okay. Now I think it's okay. It's really nice that they added edges. I'm usually not a fan of the baby hair. I don't really do it in my wigs, even with my natural hair, hardly ever. Sometimes if I'm on braids, but not this defined. I think this works perfectly for this type of wig, and it was really thoughtful that they added the edges, so it eliminates that time of you trying to cut out the edges in the right spot and all of that. I'm going to use my hair mousse just to arrange the edges.
Rivers peaceful flow, time moves nice and slow, just so you know. Laughter rings light and free underneath a shady tree. World as far as you see.
I've laid the edges in the best way I can. I told you guys I don't do edges, or don't laugh at me. But yeah, I think I tried. So I just arranged it in a style that I like. You can play around with it. I'm just going to use the wig band and just put it on for another 5 minutes, just so that the edges lay properly on my hair like it should.
Coffee cup in my hand, dreams like golden sand. Everything seems so grand. Hold on, understand. Days like this make me smile. Roads go on for miles. Brightest stars up high. Catch a glimpse, say goodbye. Moments come, moments go. Rivers peaceful flow. Time moves nice and slow, just so you know. Catch a glimpse, say goodbye. Moments come.
Okay. Okay. Oh, I'm ready. Where are we going to? Where are we going to? This looks so beautiful, you guys. I love this look. I love how defined the curls are, and strangely, I love this half braided effect. I kind of like this. I would have never thought that I would rock a style like this, but look at me now. What you guys think about this wig, let me know in the comment section. You guys already know all the tea about this wig would be in my description box. This wig again is from Yolissa hair. It's a 24 inches length. It's also a HD lace as well. And yeah, it comes pre-braided and it's pre-plucked, pre-bleached and pre-everything. It's a glueless wig. You might need to apply a holding spray or sprit to the edges around your ear especially, just so that it gives you that well finished glueless look. It looks like it's actually your hair, or it gives a clean vibe. So yeah, you might need to add that. But yeah, what do you guys think?
Sunrise high in the sky, birds fly, clouds go by. Morning air feels so right. New day takes.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think. What do you guys think about this look? It's completely different from my normal wig install look. So yeah, let me know what you think, and don't forget to have an amazing day. Bye.